Good morning. Here's a tutorial, excuse me, on 7.1A. All right, a couple of ways to do it. If this is your first lesson of the chapter, you could just take 80% and move the decimal two places, and you get 0.80, and you just multiply it by the other number, and you'll get 64. If you've done more lessons in the chapter, you probably already know by now you can use the box. So you can just put the 80% in the box over 100. And then you got to think about this over here. Here's your 80%, here's your 100. Is this 80, is this the part, or is it the whole? In the words if and is and of help us here. This says of 80, so that means 80 is the whole. So we put this down here like this, and then we just calculate away. Put my calculator here. So we're going to do multiply diagonally and then divide. So 80 times 80 divided by 100 equals 64. And really you're doing the same thing, because when you move the decimal over here two places, you're dividing by 100. So in this case we divided by 100 and then we multiplied. In this case down here we multiplied and then divided by 100. So you end up with the same answer. Let's take a look at one that's a little more challenging. I think there's some here that have percentages or decimals. Yeah, look at 17. So 17, we could take and move the decimal two places, 1, 2. Now we have 0.375. We just multiply it times the 16. And you can get your answer that way. Or if you wanted to, you can put it in the box. 37.5% of 100. Notice I left it the same. Of 16, 16 is going to go right down here, multiply diagonally, and then divide. Okay, so good luck working through all of these problems here. Let me know if you have any questions.